to next day, even though it's a different video. So today we're gonna put in a clutch master in the fiero. So we're gonna do a bench bleed and then get it put in, and then I set up a little car show kind of thing. Not really, but it's just like a car meet. So it's going to be a car meet and cruise. So I set that up for tonight at 7. So hopefully this fixes my issue. So let's get this in. Alright, so what we've rigged up here, we got like some brake hose, or not brake hose, it's just some rubber hose, put electrical tape on it so it's a little bit stiff in there, you know, it's snug. So what we'll do is we'll fill this up with some brake fluid, and then you just kind of push on this a couple times to get all the air out until the bubbles stop coming out, and then you're good to go. Then you just got to go put it on, and then, you know, do another full-fledged brake bleed, or clutch bleed, brake bleed, whatever. This will work for either. So yeah, let's get this thing bled. Alright, so as you push this in, you can see all the bubbles coming out, and then the level goes down. Then you just keep pushing on it, and you just got to make sure you fill it back up, because you don't want, I mean, it doesn't really matter too much, I guess, if it fucking fell below it, but just fill it back up. And then you press on it again. Looks like it's good. So then all I gotta do is just put it in the car. Alright, so it should only be, you undo this bolt or this nut, and then nut over here. Then you'll have to get this line out, and then if you go in here, you look up underneath, you gotta pull the little cotter pin out of here, and it should just come right off, and then you just pull it straight in. So it should be a good time. Okay, so got that out. I broke this loose already, and the cotter pin is out on the inside, so it's already coming out. These are actually studs, I guess. I didn't know that. So we got the new one here. Just gotta take off that line, put it on there quick, so that way hopefully we don't bleed. If your car you gave a shit about, put down some rags and shit to catch the brake fluid, because it'll fuck up your paint. But we don't carry around here, so let's get this swapped out. Alright, it's in, and this is what I say. It's really corrosive. I actually spilled like a little bit right here, and you can see it. And that I wiped off pretty quickly. But yeah, fuck it. Ooh, my dad got me this. It's pretty dope. So like you got like this guy, and this guy goes up over like so. It gives you a buttload of leverage. That's what I used it, and it works amazing. Thank God my dad got that for me. So thanks, Dad. Yeah, so now we just got to put the little guy on the inside, and then we'll be good to go. Just gotta put this guy on this guy right here. So I'll get that on, and then we'll be good to go. Ooh, am I gonna be a cool kid now? Get that cold start in? Well, that's gonna be it for this one, I guess. I'll just make this all about clutch and work and shit. It seems to be working pretty good. I'll have to probably bleed it one more time after I drive it around for a bit, but it's seeming a little bit better. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.